Woo! I'm telling y'all, these freaking alternator connectors are a pain in the butt. You see that one right there? Yeah, it just broke. So I bought some off Amazon and they work. All right, we're gonna put this connector onto there. I'm gonna take the pins out and do all that good stuff. So let's do that right now. And there we have it, boys. No splice needed, since all we did was repaint a connector.